Hi YouTube modelers, I'm Hans Falo, and this is how I build my N-scale layout. This is just a quick update to let you know about Jimmy at DIY and Digital, who's having a 5,000 subscriber contest. And in fact, this video will also enter me into that contest. So to see the rules for that contest, please see the links below. You too can make a very easy video to get you more entries into the contest. He'll be giving away 2 locomotives, one N-scale and one HO scale locomotive. I can't urge you enough to subscribe and like to his channel as well. He's got a lot of good content in there, and you'll be very happy seeing what he does and how you can apply it to your own layout. That's it for now. Happy modeling!